Stop scrolling. What I'm about to tell you could save your dog's life, especially if you live in Florida. There's a hidden danger lurking in backyards and parks, and it's already led to heartbreaking losses for pet owners. I'm talking about bufo toads, also known as cane toads. These aren't your average garden variety frogs. They're large, invasive, and highly toxic. You might be thinking, my dog wouldn't mess with a toad, but curiosity can be deadly. These toads are most active at dawn, dusk, and after it rains, exactly when many of us let our dogs out. A single lick or bite is enough to expose your dog to a potent, milky white toxin secreted from glands on their back. This isn't just a minor irritant. This toxin is a fast-acting poison that can cause a severe reaction within minutes. So, what are the signs you need to watch for? The first thing you'll likely notice is excessive drooling or foaming at the mouth. Your dog might start pawing at their face, and their gums could turn a bright, brick red. As the toxin takes hold, the symptoms escalate rapidly. You might see disorientation, stumbling, head shaking, and even seizures. This can quickly progress to cardiac arrest. Time is absolutely critical. If you suspect your dog has come into contact with a bufo toad, you must act immediately. The first step is to wipe your dog's mouth out with a wet cloth. Be very careful. You want to wipe outwards, away from their throat, to prevent them from swallowing more of the toxin. Use the cloth to clean their gums, tongue, and the roof of their mouth. Rinse the cloth frequently and keep wiping for several minutes. Do not use a hose to spray water into their mouth, as this can cause them to aspirate water into their lungs, creating another emergency. After you've wiped their mouth thoroughly, you need to call your veterinarian or the nearest emergency animal hospital immediately. Let them know you're on your way and that you suspect bufo toad poisoning. This gives them time to prepare for your arrival. Even if your dog seems to be recovering after you've cleaned their mouth, a vet visit is non-negotiable. Some effects of the toxin can be delayed or internal, and only a professional can properly assess and treat your dog to ensure their full recovery. Now, let's talk about prevention, because that's the best way to keep your furry friends safe. First, learn to identify these toads. Bufo toads are large, often between 4 and 6 inches long, and are typically brown or grayish-brown with warty skin. They have prominent glands behind their eyes, which is where the toxin is stored. To make your yard less inviting to them, start by eliminating their food and water sources. Don't leave pet food or water bowls outside, especially overnight. Toads are attracted to the insects drawn to outdoor lights, so consider turning them off when not needed or using motion-activated lights instead. Keep your grass trimmed and your yard free of clutter like brush piles or old pots where they can hide. A simple barrier, like a fine mesh fence around the bottom of your existing fence, can also help keep them out. Most importantly, always supervise your dog when they're outside, especially during those high-risk times like early morning, late evening, and after a good rain. A leash is your best friend in these situations. Teaching your dog a strong leave-it command is an invaluable skill that can be a lifesaver, not just with toads but with many other potential dangers. This is a serious threat, but with awareness and a few simple precautions, you can protect your dog. Please, share this video with every dog owner you know in Florida or other Gulf Coast states where these toads are found. Spreading this information could prevent another family from experiencing a terrible tragedy. Thank you for watching and stay safe out there. Don't forget to follow for more important pet safety tips.